All right, boys and girls. So today we are going to talk about one of my favorite numbers to skywrite and chant. Let's think about this for a minute. Let's see if you can guess what it is. So far this year, we have done the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it must be 9. You're right. So today we're going to talk about that number 9. Take a look. This is the number 9. And the chant goes something like this. A loop and a line. Now that's a 9. Are you ready? Let's do some skywriting of our numbers. Here we go. We would say skywriting fingers up. Ready? Straight line down. Then we're done. That's the way to make a 1. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Straight line down, back around, line on top, and 5 is done. A stick and a hoop do the trick. That's the way to make a 6. Across the sky, slant down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Make an S, do not wait. Go back up, now that's an 8. And then that number 9, my favorite. A loop and a line. Now that's a 9. All right, and you know how to make those S's now from this week. So those number 8 should be looking better and better. So let's take again a look at that number 9, right? We have the loop and the line. Now that's a 9. So today you have your number 9 paper, and you know how this works, right? You put your name up at the top, and then first you're gonna do some tracing with just that finger, okay? So we always start that number 9 in this top corner. So when you're doing your paper, you're gonna wanna make sure you find that star. And the very first thing we do is we make that loop and then the line. And we don't pick up our pencil or our finger. So just watch. We say a loop. We come back up to that star and a line. Now that's a 9. Now go ahead and do it with me. Ready? A loop and a line. Now that's a 9. And after you trace it a couple times with your finger, then you can pull out that pencil and you're gonna trace that number 9. Remember, starting up here at that top star, making your loop and then your line. Don't pick up that pencil. All right, so after you trace that big number 9, you're gonna trace this one over here, that 9 right there, and then you've got 6 9s down here across the bottom. You're gonna trace those 6 9s, and then you're going to make your own 9s right on the lines below under each number 9. So you should have 6 9s that you make when you're all finished. And remember, we use a pencil whenever we are creating our 9s. No crayons or markers, please. After you're done tracing your numbers and making your numbers with that pencil and doing those 9s, now you've got some work to do. Take a look up here. This one's kind of trying to fool ya. Okay, you have to color only 9 grapes, but take a look at that. There's more than 9 grapes there. So don't get fooled, and you're gonna have to be extra careful when you're coloring. So you're gonna count out 9 grapes and color them in. Then you're gonna come down here and you have to show 9 on that 10s frame. Count out, color, and count out those 9 squares. And then you've got your number word over here, that number word 9 to color in. All right, good luck and have fun.